Air that you breathe right now, the air we're breathing right now, is 21% oxygen. So this is one of the only EMF-free treadmills. Treadmills spit out a lot of dirty EMF because they have these spools in them that the electricity goes into and it just spews EMF.
So guys, if you like your treadmills at the gym, I know a lot of you gym rats out there like them, go outside for a walk, man.
Yeah, amen to that.
Or this.
Yeah, this one's great. This is an Assault Runner Elite. Take this oxygen mask. I'm gonna put this on you. And then what I'm gonna do is gonna take the 21% ambient air that you're breathing, and you're gonna breathe 95% O2. Okay. This is called multi-step oxygen therapy, or EWAT, exercise with oxygen therapy. You do it for about 10 minutes, just hold that. So you're gonna walk for 3 minutes, and then you're gonna do a light jog for 30 seconds. Then you're gonna walk for 3 minutes, light jog for 30 seconds. We do 3 rounds of that, flood the bloodstream with oxygen. And once we get all that oxygen into the bloodstream, we're gonna move to a red light therapy bed, and we're gonna pound that oxygen right into the mitochondria. And that's just science.